Hello friends, welcome back to my channel VGL Tech. So in the last video we completed series 1, right? We discussed all the strategies for 5 indexes. So we are going to start a new series called series 2 with a similar concept, creating strategies for 5 indexes, right, on expiry day. This I will call it as series 2. Okay. So before going on to the strategy, right, I would like to thank you guys for all the positive comments what you gave me, right? It really keeps me motivated to bring good things for you guys here on YouTube. Okay. So this would be again, we will be starting with Bank Nifty strategy. Then go with other indexes. So hope we get some good returns with this series 2 also, and with minimum drawdown. Let's see how the strategy looks, what are the rules, and then we will go and maintain our Excel sheet updated, what returns we are getting on what capital. Okay, so let's go on to the screen.
Okay,
Thank.
so as we are talking about series 2, I have created a new sheet here and I mentioned it as series 2. So for the series 1, you can see all the results here we did for all the 5 indexes. So entering into series 2, right? For now, I have highlighted the Bank Nifty one. So we are into Bank Nifty expiry day strategy. So I have written down all the rules here for this particular strategy. I will show you it on the Algo test platform also. Then we will come and update this capital required, return per day, and percentage profit per day. Okay. Let's go to the Algo test platform and see how to build this. Um, Okay, so here Bank Nifty is already selected. So we are going to consider add the money straddle premium right here in the premium. But in this we will consider add the money straddle premium percentage. So we will make it as 60%. Okay, and we shall add this leg. So the target percentage was around 95 and the stop loss was around 15%. So let me select the percentage in the drop down. Okay. This is what we had, right? So 95 is the target, 15 is the stop loss. Okay, and so we will again not go with the trial stop loss now. Maybe in future videos we can consider those. So let me clone this for the second leg. So in this strategy, we have only two legs we can see here. We are selling both the legs CE and PE of one quantity. So we don't have any buy legs in this strategy. So I'll change this call to put. Okay, the overall target is around 3000, right? What we had mentioned there, and overall stop loss is around 1500. Okay, so now let me check. Okay, we need to modify the entry and exit timings. If you can see here, right, the entry timing and exit timing is different here. 9:25 is the entry timing and 2:55 is the exit timing. Okay. So 9:25 is the entry timing and 2:55 is 14:55, right? Okay. So yeah, and one more setting we have to do is, so once we any leg hits the stop loss, right, and if it comes back to its the original cost, right, we need to re-enter it at cost, that is one time. Okay, so this will increase our transaction cost, but not drastically. Okay, so we can go ahead with one re-entry for each leg, so they should be fine here. So yeah, I think that's all. I have not mentioned about this re-entry in the sheet. Maybe I can mention it. Uh, I can just have it here. Okay, re-entry at cost here is one time. Okay. Let's go back to the algo test. So we have one re-entry. So let me again run this from 2020 first, right? From where we have the data. So yeah, you can test it for the previous years also. But the market nowadays we can consider from 2021. So that's what I have done in the previous strategies also. Let me run it. So we are as we have a very short stop loss, right, and bigger target. We are expecting better returns here, and also the bank nifty, right. Most of the times it is directional. Option selling is too difficult, right? So let's see. Okay, so this is how the profit and loss graph looks, right? If we are running the strategy on all days. If you see, right, we have little drawdowns around 16,000, but we need not to worry. This is for all days. Let's modify it to be for only the expiry day strategy. Okay. So this is how it looks if you run it on all days, right? 2021 it had made very good profits, right? So if you see 22, 23, right, it's been making, and the average profit per day is around 350 rupees. So if you run it daily also, it's a good strategy only, but to maximize the returns, right, we will do it only on the expiry. So we can run on other days other expiry strategies. Okay. So let me go and change it to date to expiry is equal to 0 and see how it looks. Okay, so here you guys can see, right, the drawdown has reduced to just 5,000 now. Even though it is like considered as a directional strategy because we are having a shorter stop loss, right? Once one leg breaks, it goes into directional mode. With this kind of strategy, this much minimal drawdown is always expectable, right? And if you can see the profit and loss graph also, right, it is looking very good. There are not much like up and downs like this. We have it as a very linear graph, right? And what else? Yeah, so we can see the monthly profits, right? Most of the months we are in green, but here and there we are seeing some reds. That is what, right? When we try to go little directional, right? We will be seeing some red months, but we should trust the strategy and run it continuously, right? That is the key here to be consistent in algo trading. Okay, and here you can see, right, most of the years it has given the profits, and 2024 with just 3 months, not even 3 months, right, it has already done around 7.5K. So let's see other statistics how they are looking. So overall profit is around 1,03,000 something. So here, see if you can see, right, 617 rupees is a single day profit, like average profit per day, right? If you run it daily on an average, you are earning around 600 rupees here. And average profit on winning trades is 1,500 and losing trades is 1,400. And we have an accuracy of around 70 is to 30. 70% of the times we are winning. That is also good. So you can see um, um, other data right here. Acceptancy ratio, risk to reward. So maximum winning streak is around 16 times we have won continuously and 3 times we have lost continuously. So I was saying, right, maybe if you start at some month, right, and if you lose it for continuous 3 weeks, right, you might think like the strategy is not working, but that's not the case. Sometimes we face such situations, and we need to trust our strategies and continue with them at least for 6 months, right, to get to know if they're working or not. Okay. Okay, I didn't include slippage, right? Let's include slippage and see what data we are getting. So profit has reduced a bit for 90,000, and the average profit per day is around 532. It's a very good return, right? If you are just running it on expiry. So let's see what is the margin taken for Bank Nifty, right? Let me calculate it here. So it is around 1 lakh 8,000. I don't think this much is required. Within 1 lakh, you can run the Bank Nifty straddle. Again, it depends on different brokers, right? Yeah, but we can consider 1 lakh 8,000 as it is showing here. Um, so overall, for 1 lakh investment, 500 per day returns are really very good, right? So in the last series one, we almost got around, I think, 260, 270 rupees. For 1 lakh, that is 0.25%. So here comparatively it is like very good. Okay. The only thing is like here and there we have some drawdown. We need to bear with it and keep running the strategy. That is the key over here. Okay. Let me go back to the Excel sheet and fill the data and see how it looks. So the capital is around 1,10,000. Let me put it. So returns per day was around 530, right? So approximately it is around 0.5%, right? I can consider. Okay. Um, yeah, I think 0.5% per day, right? It's a very good return, guys. So, guys, if you have any doubt on any of these numbers, right, you can reach out to me on my Telegram ID, right? That is VJ Algotech. And also you can join the Telegram group, right, which is named as VG Algotech channel, for to see the live results, right? Sometimes I'll be sharing the live results which I run on these strategies, right? Whatever I'm explaining on YouTube, series one I was sharing. Maybe if you guys are interested in this particular strategy, let me know in the comments. I can share the Tradetron link for that too. And it's all free. Okay, so all these strategies whatever I'm explaining, and all the Tradetron strategies whatever I'm giving is all free. If you go to some YouTube channels, right, maybe they are charging you heavy amount of 10k 15k for these kind of returns, right, consistent returns, but that's not the case here. So anyone wants to run these strategies can run all these strategies for free, but the risk is all yours, guys. I have shown you the backtest results, right? That doesn't mean they will perform the same way in future also. You might go into some drawdown, but the patience is the key here. We need to wait, run these continuously, and trust these strategies to perform. Okay. Yeah, that's all on the screen.
So, guys, we saw, right, we had very good returns with Bank Nifty strategy for Series 2 also. So, if you guys want to run this strategy, let me know. I will provide you a Tradetron link for this, as I provided for the first series, right? And it's all free, right? It is not charged, no subscription fee, nothing. So you guys can go and run it. The only key is you have to run it consistently. Not only my strategy, any algo strategy, right? If you guys are running it, you have to run at least for 3 months or 6 months, right, to get to know if it is really working in real market or not. So go ahead and subscribe to my strategies and do paper trading, right, until you get confidence to put it on live market. Okay. And please let me know how you what you think about this particular series too. If you had liked that, let me know in the comments. That will, as I said, right, it really motivates me to bring new stuff for you guys. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.